So first of all, we discuss the syllabus for the Anshika and the Aryan Sharma. Your exam, known as Is My Body is Too Visible to Everyone? Okay. Okay. If you have any doubt, please raise your hand. On your screen, there is the option is the raise the hand and click on this. First of all, discuss the syllabus of the Sainik School for the new student. Your exam known as a All India Sainik School entrance exam. All India Sainik School entrance exam, and your exam divided into the four section, and your exam conducted by the NTA. NTA meaning National Testing Agency, and your exam divided into the four section. First one is the mathematics. In the mathematics, 50 question, each question 3 marks, total 150 marks. Second number, reasoning. In the reasoning, 25 question, each question 2 marks, total 50 marks. Then English. In the English, 25 question, each question 2 marks, total 50 marks. Fourth number, GK. In the GK, same 25 question, each question 2 marks, total 50 marks. And you have time to solve the all paper. Total marks 300 and 125 question. And your exam MCQs. And you have time to solve the all paper 2 hour 30 minutes. Okay, understand? Understand, new student? Divya Joshi, please connect your audio. Okay, done everyone? Yes, Moktika. तो बच्चे जो मैंने लिखा ही है, बट आपको लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. ओके, डन. कैन आई प्रोसीड टू नेक्स्ट स्लाइड? आर्यन शर्मा, हंसिका शर्मा, रिटर्न बेटा. Divija V Joshi, please connected your audio. So last time we discussed the Ganga River on the Friday. Rishikesh, what are you doing? टीचमेंट में नहीं भेजा, आज भेज दूंगा बेटा, कोई बात. ओके बेटा, इंडस रिवर का ट्रिब्यूटरीज लिख लिया था. सो टुडेज टॉपिक आज हम करेंगे ब्रह्मपुत्रा रिवर. कैन आई प्रोसीड टू नेक्स्ट स्लाइड? रिटर्न अंशिका आर्यन. अंडरस्टैंड द सिलेबस एंड एग्जाम पैटर्न. कोई डाउट हो आपको, जहां तक सिलेबस में से कोई एग्जाम पैटर्न में आपको कोई डाउट है तो आप पूछ लीजिए बेटा अभी. हाँ भाई अंशिका, कोई डाउट बेटा? ओके. और किसी को कोई डाउट? दीपिका जी जोशी जी तो बोल ही नहीं रहे. बच्चे आप अपनी ऑडियो कनेक्ट करें, ठीक है? इस तरीके से तो हम कन्वर्सेशन नहीं कर पाएंगे. मुझे आपके डाउट नहीं पता चलेंगे, मुझे आपके बारे में नहीं पता चलेगा. सो टुडेज टॉपिक इज दी ब्रह्मपुत्रा रिवर. ब्रह्मपुत्रा रिवर, दिस इज दी टुडेज टॉपिक. यस सर. ओके ओके सर, एक्चुअल में आपने जो प्लीज क्लिक ऑन दी वाईफाई एंड सेक्युलर डाटा. आर यू ज्वाइन फ्रॉम दी सर लैपटॉप और मोबाइल? मोबाइल. Please click on the mic. When you click on the mic, there is the option connected with the Wi-Fi and cellular data, and click on this. Then you connected the audio. इस तरीके से तो मेरी भी नहीं ऑडियो जा रही होगी सर उनके पास. उनको कॉल करके, जब मैम से कॉल करवा दीजिए, मेरे से बात करवा दीजिए सर उनकी. ठीक है, मैं बता दूंगा कि कैसे कनेक्ट कर. हाँ भाई. सो टुडेज टॉपिक इज द ब्रह्मपुत्रा रिवर. ब्रह्मपुत्रा रिवर originate from who was on mute? Originate from Chamjong Glacier Chamjong glacier. This is the name of glacier. What is the meaning of glacier? Area of the ice. Glacier near Mansarovar. Near Mansarovar Lake. Tibet. China. And in the Tibet, Brahmaputra, known as a different name, and those different name is the Brahmaputra, known as a Tsangpo. Tsangpo. What is the meaning of Tsangpo? Yes बेटा बोलिए. कौन सा नहीं दिख रहा बेटा? As Tsangpo. हाँ बेटा लिख दूंगा. As known as a. Yes बेटा. From बच्चे Chamjong glacier, CHEMAYUNGDUND, Chamjong glacier. Okay, known as a Tsangpo. And the Tsangpo meaning, its mean purify, पवित्र करने वाली river. Next one, third number, Brahmaputra enter in India. Brahmaputra enter in India near Namcha Barba mountain. This is the mountain situated in the Arunachal Pradesh. Yes beta. Tsangpo, TSANPO, Tsangpo. Namcha Barba mountain. Namcha Barba mountain. Namcha Barba mountain in Arunachal Pradesh. In Arunachal Pradesh. Fourth number. In Arunachal Pradesh. In Arunachal Pradesh. Dihang, 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 and Lohit. And Lohit meet with Brahmaputra. Brahmaputra. Next one, total length of the Brahmaputra river. Total length of the. Yes beta. Is my screen too visible to everyone? बच्चे please refresh your device. Total length of the Brahmaputra river 2900 km. But flow in India. Only 917 km. In the Assam. Okay, very good. In Assam, Brahmaputra. Okay. In the Assam, Brahmaputra create the largest riverine island What is the meaning of island? Which land part of surrounded by the water? But Majuli Island is the divine island which created by the land. I wrote in the bracket. Which island? Which island created by the river? It is known as a Ravine Island. And what is the name of the Ravine Island? Majuli Island. Majuli Island. Where situated the Majuli Island? It is situated in the Assam. Next one, Brahmaputra and Ganga. Brahmaputra and Ganga create the largest delta. What is the name of the delta? Sundarban Delta. Largest delta, name Sundarban Delta. Very good. Very good. वाह बेटा मौज करती. Situated in West Bengal. Delta. When river meet with the ocean and river deposit the all silt near the mouth of the ocean and river divided into the many ranges, it is known as a delta. Okay. Yes beta poli. बच्चे Majuli Island, it is created by the Brahmaputra river. बच्चे which island created by the river? It is known as a Ravine Island. In Bangladesh, Brahmaputra known as a in Bangladesh, Brahmaputra known as a Jamuna. Jamuna. When Jamuna meet with the Padma, Padma name of the Ganga in the Bangladesh. When Jamuna meet with the Padma, please rejoin again after the 1 minute. Ganga, known as a Meghna, and fall down in the Bay of Bengal. Bay of Bengal. Okay, done. Tributaries of Brahmaputra. What is the meaning of tributaries? When a main river meet with the small river meet with the main river, it is known as a tributaries. Tributaries, first one, Dibang. Second number, Dihang. And third one is the Lohit. Fourth number, Subansiri. Fifth number, Manas. Fourth, Subansiri. Okay. Written everyone? Can I proceed to next slide? Subansiri. Subasire. Subansiri. Next one is the Peninsula River. First, we start the river in the two part, Himalayan River, and second one is the Peninsula River. Okay, so then now we complete the all Himalayan rivers, mainly Indus, Ganga and Brahmaputra. So now we start the peninsular river. In the peninsular river, next one, peninsular river. Peninsular river divided into the two parts. Fall down in the Arabian Sea. Which river fall down in the Arabian Sea? And second one is the which fall down in the Bay of Bengal. Fall down in बे ऑफ बंगाल। और कौन सी जो रिवर है जो कि बे ऑफ बंगाल में गिरती हैं और कौन सी रिवर है जो पेनिनसुलर जो कि अरेबियन सी में गिरती हैं। तो फर्स्ट वन आती है लूनी रिवर, सेकंड नंबर नर्मदा रिवर, आफ्टर दी नर्मदा रिवर थर्ड नंबर ताप्ती रिवर, फोर्थ नंबर माही रिवर, फिफ्थ नंबर मंडोवी रिवर, and which river fall down in the Bay of Bengal? First one is the Godavari river, second number Damodar river, third number Kaveri river, fourth number Krishna river, fifth number Mahanadi river. So now we discuss in the detail way one by one. Can I proceed to next slide? Written everyone. Next one. First one is the Luni river. Luni river. It is known as a desert river. इसको डेजर्ट रिवर के नाम से भी जाना जाता है because it flow in the Thar desert. It is originate from Aravalli range. Aravalli range situated in Rajasthan. It is flow in the where flow it? It is flow in the Rajasthan. Very good. Gujarat. Next one, fourth number. It do not fall any ocean. ये किसी भी ओशियन में नहीं गिरती तो जाती कहाँ है? लॉस्ट ऑफ दी रन ऑफ कच्छ, जो रन ऑफ कच्छ है उसमें खो जाती है। रन ऑफ कच्छ नियर गुजरात, रन ऑफ कच्छ में डेजर्ट में खो जाती है जी। ठीक है, किसके पास गूगल मैप नहीं है इसीलिए खो जाती है। So return. So this is our last slide. Remaining topic we will continue from tomorrow.